Hello guys, today we're gonna play this cotton candy shop, but it's a horror game. Tara na guys. Una, ayok mag-English guys, gusto ko na mag-Tagalog. Ayok kaya mag-English. Tayo lang mag-isa. Yay! Kaya nagla-loading na tayo. For today's video. Kasi ang ingay dito. Kasi yung ate ko, nanonood pa ng malikpam. Kasi inis. Alam ko na tayo, huwag mo na sabihin. Nalaro ko na to before. Hindi ko lang na-record. Gusto ko na-record yun. Pero kakagulat din to ah. Tsaka, may mga gugulat dito ah. Nalaro ko na kasi to guys.
Hey, there's a new one, right?
I know.
Since this is your first day, I will teach you how to prepare cotton candy.
Kaya ko na, te. Wala kasi.
First, go to the counter and grab a cone.
Nasaan yung phone? Eto.
Now, let's put some flavors of cotton candy on it. Pick 3 flavors of your choice and add them onto the cone. Great! Normally you would hand it to the customer now.
Mga customer.
But this time, throw in the trash bin behind you.
Hoy,
If you ever mess up an order, you can
kaya
throw
huwag mo na
the
sabihin yung behind
in
the
the trash.
scene. Nakakatakot ng word na yun. Sisigaw talaga ako dito malakas. Guys!
Okay.
Ooh!
Flavors get empty over time.
Kagulat ako. Kala ko meron ito.
To refill them, we need to prepare the cotton candy in the bag.
Ito yung gawa ng kutsara.
Grab the box with the cherry flavor.
Kasi, ayoko na.
Now you have to add the flavor into the machine.
Pag natapos na tayo guys, kaya na mag-subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. At saka mag-comment kayo. Guys, kunin na natin. Kunin na
Alright,
natin.
now fill it into the empty basket.
Kanina, refill ko to.
That's about it. One last thing though. The boss might visit you. If she does, listen carefully. It could save your life.
Ano yun? Na naman? Anong it could save your life? Gagawin na naman. Hindi naman ako patay. Ayun na yung customer.
Alright, listen up. Sometimes she gets inside the store during the shift. If that happens, don't try anything. Just hide immediately and stay out of sight. If it sees you moving around, it won't leave. It will take you with it.
Okay, ayoko dyan.
Take care.
Sabi na. If she is here, hide quickly. Saan ako mag-hide? Ayun si Bacon. Orange. Thanks. Take me back. Ay, no! Hoy, bilian nyo na bubili dito para maubos na to. Ano? Katakot to laruin guys. Okay. Basta 1 million to ah. Bayaran mo ko ng 1 million. 1 million. Hala, dapat sabi ko 1 million bibigay sa akin eh. Ipal naman. Okay. 1 million, sir. $1 million. Ha? Bakit wrong order? Green apple yung inano niya? Pakabalo naman. Lang kasi. Ano ito natin? Have a great day to. Sana mamatay ko dyan sa labas. Kasi, sorry guys, ang ingay dito. Kasi ate ko na naman video. Ang ano, DJ house at saka ng mic spam. Mamaya, manonood yan ng mic spam. Ririnig mo na lang. Kaya nanonood siya ng videos. Ay, try. Boy, lagi na lang yan. Green apple. Mamaya mag-jumpscares. Ayun ang bestie ko. Ay, match yung ano niya, blueberry. Yung mga blueberry at saka cherry. Thank you. Guys! Ingay ng mga tao dito. Busy na yan. Rinig dito sa record. Layo ko, jumpscares lang. Ah! Isip ka, nagulat ako sa yung babae ko. Barbie ka. Kasampal ko sa yung bro. Pag talaga isasampal ko na to sa bayan. Ay, Barbie ka. Barbie.
Babantay ako? Bakit?
Tia, Lord, pake. No, pake. Joke lang. Ikaw guys, nakakatakot dito. Ayoko na.
Bakit?
Ano, tapusin nyo to Ay, may nag-chat pa.
Hi, baby!
Guys, dito na natapos yung video. Yung kunin nito ko. Bye.